Kia Rio. Start but rough idle, and then then camshaft sensor giving signal, engine light, and then we check everything. Then we found out this one. The chain is weak. This wow, it's not synchronizing. So this is giving wrong synchronize. Then this sensor that watches the synchronizing and know which position the cam is in is giving wrong signal. Then this engine is running rough. So not the sensor, engine keep running rough. We have fuel, engine keep running rough. Air filter okay. See this map sensor okay. Engine keep running rough. Chorus okay. Plugs okay. Engine keep running rough. We check. But then we have no engine light. So we start to open this one and see this one chain. So this chain is weak, it's stretched. This engine is running really rough because of this one. And this VVT sensor is okay. We tested too by putting on the batteries. So that is the problem. It's the mounting. Chain scratch, rough idle.